after 3 months, I was like a different guy. That was unbelievable. Very, very good result. After 3 months, from bald to a full head of hair, yeah. All my life, I had a lot of hair. Then this is what happened to me. All my life, I had a lot of hair. Long hair, a lot of hair, full hair. And I was doing a lot of martial art and everything. So in that extent, I started to shave my head. That was trendy, I liked it, I didn't pay attention. Every day, I was shaving, in the shower. And when I started to get older, like 10, 15 years after, I said, you know what, I'm tired of that, I'm gonna let my hair grow. And I noticed, some huge patches, on the front, on the crown, on the side where I was missing hair. I didn't even notice because it happened progressively over 10 to 15 years. And since I was shaving, I didn't notice. So I was starting, to be more self-conscious about it. I said, wow, I'm losing my hair. It's a big difference, So I started to do some research. I was very negative, on doing any hair procedure. Very, very negative. I didn't believe into that, and every single person that I seen, in the past had a terrible, horrendous result. And I went online and I found the website and I started looking at live video of him doing surgery, on actual patients. And I was starting to be convinced, that I had, I started to believe into it. So I made an appointment. I came here. I talked to Josh, and he showed me, some more videos and pictures. And I met a patient that was waiting, on the waiting room. And I didn't believe for 1 second that was a true patient, the pretty handsome guy, with a full hair. So I talked to the guy, I said, tell me the truth, did they pay you, to be here, and to be here for a guy like me? And he told me, no, I had a procedure about 6 months ago. I didn't believe him. So he put his iPhone, and he started showing me a picture of him 6 months ago. The guy was halfway bald, I said, you're kidding me. So I started feeling, much more, positive about doing a surgery. And then I talked to Dr. Bolton, I talked to Josh, and they convinced me. The same day I jumped on a chair. Yeah, I didn't want to think about it, I knew I will not do it. So the same day I jumped on a chair, he gave me a good deal, and he told me, if you want, we have an opening, you can be on a chair in the next 30 minutes. I said, wow, I didn't even call my wife or anything. I just jumped on a chair. We did the surgery. I came home at night, with the stitches and the bandana on my head. She told me, what did you do? I said, well, I did a procedure, So that's a self-confidence thing, I would say, yeah. It's even if you're in denial, you, like everything else, you find yourself trying to deny, that you don't need the hair, that you're married, you have 2 kids, you're not going out anymore, but in reality, it's for you, it's a self-confidence. It's like gaining weight, it's like everything else. So I did a surgery that was just for me, and I didn't care what people think, I never hide it, when people tell me, did you have a surgery? I saw your video online. I don't have anything to hide, so I just tell people, yeah, I did a surgery. If you need it, I introduce you. And actually, everybody, I talked to 1 million patients, and because at the beginning, you're always scared. You don't know what to expect. But I mean, those doctors, I didn't know Dr. Bolton before I do the surgery. And then after I did the surgery, we become best friends. And it's been over 10 years or something now. The way they take care of you, the way he was checking on me like every hour, texting me directly, not like call the office, talk to a secretary and to a directory directly. He gave me his phone number and I was in contact with him the whole time, with him and Josh during all, the recovery. That was just amazing. I never seen anything like that. Dr. Bolton is a true, he's a people person. He's not here to collect just the money and everything. It's not about that with him. I learned that the first week that I met him, I was, he was all about, giving you something back. He was all about giving back and trying to boost back, your self-confidence and to make you happy. That's all that matters to him. Honestly, it's not about the money. I saw him, giving back to a ton of people, doing pro bono, just to help people that couldn't afford the surgery, doing charity events. I mean, he's an unbelievable person. I got a little girl in special need who's on a wheelchair, and Dr. Bolton gave more than everybody I know combined, since he met me. He's a truly unbelievable person. I owe him a lot, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.